Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a showdown between two of the best foldable phones out there in 2025. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 versus the Google Pixel Fold 2. Let's see which one offers the best foldable experience. Starting with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung continues to lead the foldable game with this flagship device. The Z Fold 6 features a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display when unfolded, offering a stunning 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. The foldable screen is backed by Samsung's ultra-durable hinge technology, which ensures long-term reliability. The 6.2-inch cover display on the front provides a handy screen when the phone is folded, perfect for quick tasks. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, the Z Fold 6 is fast and efficient, with 12 gigabytes of RAM and a 5,000 mAh battery. Samsung also enhanced the camera setup with a 50 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and 10 megapixel telephoto lens, making it great for photography enthusiasts. On the other hand, the Google Pixel Fold 2 enters the ring with a more streamlined design and premium build quality. When unfolded, the Pixel Fold 2 reveals a 7.8-inch LTPO OLED display, also supporting 120 Hz refresh rate for an immersive visual experience. What stands out with the Pixel Fold 2 is its software integration. Google's Android 14 is optimized for foldable displays, offering smooth multitasking and seamless transitions between apps. The front cover display is 5.8 inches, a bit smaller than the Z Fold 6, but still functional. The Pixel Fold 2 is powered by the Tensor G3 chip, designed for AI and machine learning, paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM and a 4,800 mAh battery. For cameras, it boasts a 50 megapixel primary lens, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto sensor, ideal for taking detailed shots. Now, let's break down the main differences. The Z Fold 6 is superior in terms of display durability, offering a more reliable foldable design, while the Pixel Fold 2 takes the edge in software optimization, providing a smoother user experience. Samsung also leads with a larger battery and a more advanced telephoto camera setup. However, the Pixel Fold 2 is arguably the more compact and refined option, with great AI features and Google's ecosystem working in its favor. So, which foldable phone would you choose? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 for its powerful performance and display, or the Google Pixel Fold 2 for its refined design and Google integration? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more comparisons.